Hey everybody, this is Rahat from ShopiDevs. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove and edit powered by Shopify. First, I would like to show you what it is. This is my Shopify store, ShopiDevs. And if I scroll down and go to footer section, here you can see powered by Shopify. So when we create a Shopify store, by default, we get this, but most Shopify store owners don't want to have it as it doesn't look professional. So just like any other professional e-commerce store, they prefer other things like all rights reserved. So in this video, I will show you how you can remove this powered by Shopify and how you can write something else here. So let's do it. I'll show you how to remove powered by Shopify. In order to do that, you need to log into your Shopify store, then go to online store, themes, and from your current theme, click on actions, and then go to edit code. Now we need to find footer.liquid. Here it is. Click on it. And now here we have to search for copyright underscore content. Here it is. So now what you have to do is select this line the way I'm doing here and delete it, and then click on save. Now check the front end of your store. Scroll down and go to footer. See? Powered by Shopify has gone. That means our method worked. So now I will show you the second thing, how you can write something here. So I'm going to write all rights reserved. So let's do it. And now I'll show you how you can edit powered by Shopify and write the things you want. So in order to do that, again, you have to log into your Shopify store, then click on online store, then themes, then click on actions, and then click on edit code and find footer.liquid. Open it and then search for copyright underscore content. Here it is. So instead of deleting this line, now we will edit it. So you should do exactly the way I'm doing here right now. So you should delete this portion and write the things you want to write here. And then click on save. Now check the front end of your store. Scroll down to go to footer section. And as you can see, after your store name, the place where previously powered by Shopify was displayed, now all rights reserved is showing here. That means our method worked. That's all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos, and learn more about Shopify.